Hi, I'm John Trishler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today we've got a cool new product to show you. We've been developing this here for a little while. We came up with the idea to do something kind of unique with these Diode Dynamics C1R lights. And the C1R lights have basically three stages of a light. They have a dim red light, they have a bright red light, and then they have a bright white light. We worked with this 2021 plus Raptor, this one's a 24, to come up with a new solution to make these lights do everything your taillights are gonna do. We've created a set of taillight adapters here to plug into each light. So you're gonna get turn signals, you're gonna get brakes, you're gonna get reverse lights, and you're gonna get running lights. So we're kind of excited to show you this new kit. We've also created a new bracket to mount those cleanly to the back side of this Raptor. And we're gonna show you that real fast, and we're gonna test them out. And they're in stock and available right now. You don't have to wait for pre-orders. We wanted to get these out here just in time for the holidays, so you can give these out as gifts. But let's go ahead and we're gonna snap them together, show you how they look and test them out. Install's really easy. So we've got some sockets here. You've got a 10 millimeter here, you got an 8 millimeter, and you got a T40. Your 8 millimeter is going to be to remove these two little bolts on each side when your tailgate's folded down to pop the taillight off. The taillight adapter is just gonna plug right in between and drop down, and then it's gonna plug into the light. 10 millimeter is gonna be for the nut here that comes with the Diode Dynamics light. You're gonna take your bolt on the back side here, you're gonna thread it through. You're gonna put your 10 millimeter bolt on there, use an Allen key on the other side. You're gonna put your bracket on. And then the T40 is for the star bolt that's on the bottom there, the hitch receiver of the truck where the lights are gonna mount. So we're gonna buzz you through this video here really quick. I wanna point out one thing really fast. This bag of hardware that's gonna come with these C1R lights, the only thing you're gonna use out of this bag are these bolts and these nuts to attach our bracket to the light. That's it. Everything else, the plug, the other bracket, the other hardware, you're not gonna use it. So don't get any of that confused. If the lights come to you, and obviously they're gonna be pre-packaged with its own hardware, don't use that. The only things you're gonna use, these bolts and nuts, and we're gonna go ahead and throw these together and test them out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in this truck real quick, and we're gonna check out these features. So as we get close to it, it's gonna automatically unlock. Oh, there it goes. See, there's the remote. I didn't even touch it. So there's our running lights here. Same thing with our lock, unlock. There's our unlock, lock. See, all the features now work just like your taillights. Let's hop in here real quick. Let's check out the turn signals, the brakes, and the reverse lights. All right, so we're in the truck now, and we're gonna go ahead and test out some of these features. So I'm gonna hit this brake pedal. And you should see the brakes come on now. And now, when we go in reverse, we're gonna have to start the truck. But before that, we're gonna go ahead and take our foot off the brake, and I'm going to hit the ignition to turn on the accessory mode. And now we're gonna test out the turn signals. So I'm gonna turn on the left signal first. So Alex, do we have turn signals? Yep. All right, so that's our left side. And we're gonna try our right side. And we have turn signal on the right. Yep. All right, cool. So that all works. Let's try the emergency flashers. Are they flashing? All right, cool. So we've got emergency flashers with that now as well. And now let's try the reverse. So we're gonna have to start it really quick. We're gonna put it in reverse. We're gonna try not to back over Alex, but I can't make any promises. Are you okay with that, Alex? Yeah, okay, just hopefully you can move quick. All right, so we're gonna hit the brakes. We're gonna start the truck. And now we're gonna go in reverse. And we should have reverse lights now. All right, cool. So that is our reverse mode. So this new kit, I'm gonna turn off the ignition here. This new kit from SPV Parts, utilizing the Diode Dynamics C1R lights, is going to integrate into your taillights, and it's going to give you all the features and functionality of your taillights with a brighter reverse light to complement what you've got there, as well as your turn signals, your brakes, your flashers, and your running lights. And as you can see, when we lock and unlock the doors, you also get those features as well that are integrated just like it came that way from stock. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Visit us at spvparts.com to pick up this light kit now. No pre-orders, these are available right now. We've got new versions coming for the Bronco and the Ranger Raptor and the Gen 2 Raptor here soon. So if you don't have a Gen 3 Raptor, check back with us, but there's no wait on these right now. Visit us at spvparts.com. We'll see you on the next video.